Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to use ChatGPT to write an essay. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for ChatGPT. So here it is. Simply click on Get Started, or you can click on this ChatGPT over here as well. Make sure you are logged into it. And once the login process is done, we get into this sort of interface. Now in message over here, we need to write the detailed information about what we want. So this is an example how we can write the prompt for ChatGPT. Once you are done with all of the details, simply click on this send message icon over here. If you want any changes, you can simply enter the information you want to make changes in this message box over here. And once you are done, simply click on this send message and the essay will be finally edited. So this is all we can do to use ChatGPT to write an essay. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for